I'm finally replacing my backpacking quilt. I've been using that same one since the end of 2014, and it's kind of gross. This is kind of like my dream. One quilt does it all. It's in that box along with a couple other things from Enlightened Equipment. If you watch my end of the year video from last year, I mentioned that this year I'm going to be hiking the Arizona Trail with Darwin, and we're going to be working on a project that involves a thru hike and also some other things. More info to come on that later, but Enlightened Equipment is a sponsor of the project. I've been eyeballing this quilt for, I don't know, like a year and a half, and just never pulled the trigger. When I hiked the Grand Canyon with Darwin like a year and a half ago, his wife let me borrow her down booties, and they're definitely a game changer. I'm pretty sure that these ones are synthetic. Yeah, climate shield. Everything's gonna blow away. And then I got their Torrid Apex jacket and pants. I believe it's like a synthetic sheet, kind of like rather than like loose synthetic insulation. So if it does rip, it shouldn't have the issue where like it loses insulation. Like this jacket I have is synthetic, and I snagged it on a nail and I can just leave it open. It doesn't matter, like the down, it would all come out. This is my 4th synthetic insulating jacket that I will be trying. So I'll probably do like a synthetic jacket showdown. Probably in like a year though, so. How does it look? It's warmer than I was expecting. I got some Climate Shield pants. I've never actually seen anyone use these. I really thought bringing this box to do an unboxing on a mountain would be a good idea, but I don't think I'll do it again. It's more of a struggle. Dang it. If you aren't familiar with Enlightened Equipment, they make like, you can customize, you can make a quilt, customize it. I think they do down, synthetic. They do a bunch of different color material. You can choose the weight of the material. You can choose the weight of the like fineness of the down. This bag was heavily influenced by Cortese. So I was originally thinking to get a sleeping bag that was 10 degrees, that could open up all the way like a blanket. And then I was talking to her and she was like, well, just get it to a 0 degree, because I want one bag that can do everything. So if I go somewhere it's super cold, I want to be able to bring this. If I go somewhere where it's hot, I want to be able to bring this. And having a sleeping bag that opens all the way flat, you're able to do that. No. Okay, this is not working. I'm gonna get off this mountain. Lesson learned. Wild unboxings, bad idea. So all the stuff that they're sending me is a part of the project for the AZT. And first I want to say Enlightened Equipment has been so generous with their support. When we were asking companies to like help out with the project, they jumped on it and they wanted to help. It's a cool area though. This is Neff's Canyon down there. The cave from my video before is like right in those rocks right over there. should have done my unboxing right here. It's flat and not windy. Most of the stuff I'm bringing on the Arizona Trail is new. So maybe I should make like a pack video. It's been so long since I've had like the need to. I mean, last summer I did that one short 100-something mile hike, but everything else has been like not hiking oriented. So maybe I'll do that in the next couple weeks.